Right down the road. What are you fucking squawking about? God damn it. We're gonna go in the mixer, eh? Oh, boy. Yeah, we're having some technical difficulties right now. Apparently, I'm the fucking owl, and my kids are going absolutely ape shit. So, yeah, we'll be back. There we go. Pretty much buy one of these a year. Every year. Take that frame out the box. There we go. Axle, I'll save that. Just like that. Unwrap this there. Now we got this bad wiring. Alright, you can take these bad wires right here. These two on the outside. I'll take a little force there. Alright, make sure you get your bolts out on the bottom too. You get three right in there. Yeah. You can just use this one. There you go. That's going to line up with that. Just like that. Make sure you use the shorter bolts up here. These are a little bit longer. You're going to take these nuts off. Take them right off, and then it's going to slide up through the bottom and put the nuts back on the inside. Just going to slide this right in there. Leave those and line this up. Take some finagling. There you go. Now just put that right back on. Put the nuts on right there. Hopefully you have long arms like me. We used to have a piece that went in the middle, keep the concrete off the back, but it looks like they cheaped out, got rid of it. Oh, that's what it should look like. I just gotta tighten everything up. I like to put these ones going out the back. I just like to. We got a 5/8 here. I don't know if it's the right size. Probably metric, but this fits.
looks like we need a deep socket. I'll make that mistake. Alright, got the 5/8 deep socket. Try this again. Also got a stubby. Yeah, that's where you want to stop. That's a different size, okay. Perfect. Alright, so this is a 9/16, these 6 on the back. You can hit these factory ones. That's it. Alright, that's the drum. We're gonna put the motor on the frame, and we'll add the wheels at the end and the handles. Alright, rip this open here. Take this crap off, you don't need that. We're going to, I put anti-seize on this. We take off this, and this, and we'll mount it to the frame. Now we're just going to take off nut, lock washer, and the washer. You leave that off. Just take this off on all 4 of these, and we'll be able to mate it up with the plate. Only go on one way. Once you get one nut on there, you're good. These 4 holes are for an aftermarket cage, like this one over here. As you can see, this motor's having electrical issues. This is the frame. I'm gonna take this frame off and put it on the new motor. Alright, we're all mating it up. Now from the bolt hole, take the big old bolt. You're gonna slide this right in here like that. Wiggle it a little bit. There we go. And, oh, drop on that. Not that right there. Look at that. And we'll zing that up all tight. That's good. Alright, so I like to flip this back. Right like that. The handles on. I put the handles on. It's easy enough. Slide them up through. Little rubber handles. Here's the axle. Yeah, we'll take this front axle out of this. I'm gonna put it right here with the wheels. Alright, I had to ditch those washers. Can't use them. Not enough space. Okay. What the heck is going on there? Yeah, okay. I put it on backwards. Okay, last piece. Here we go. This just covers the motor in this little box. It used to be plastic, but it looks like they made them steel now, which is an upgrade I'm happy with. Now this is a 4 bag, 80 pounds. We'll probably do like 560s. I have done 580s in a mixer like this. I mean, guys, might even have done 6 if the mix was really loose. Well, that's it. That's your mixer. And runs off 120. You got the on-off switch.
Alright, now roll. What are you fucking squawking about? God damn it. We're gonna do a mixer, eh? Yeah, we're having some technical difficulties right now. Apparently, I'm the fucking owl, and my kids are going absolutely ape shit. So, yeah, we'll be back.